Hello, Pascal. Thanks for having us in your workshop. Can you show us around?
Yes.
Okay.
This is my bench.
Oh yeah, and
where
your
I play and I
Yeah.
build my instrument.
yeah, you're making a violin there.
Yes. This bench is for the hard work.
The hard
where
work.
I work
Ah,
and
yeah.
I cut the wood very hard here.
All right. And where do you get your wood from?
Yes, this is my personal wood. It's from my garden. I cut this 18 years ago.
Wow.
Yes.
18 years.
It's a dangerous tree because cracked with the storm,
Right.
and I cut.
So you had to get rid of it.
Huh?
You had to get rid of the tree, but you've used it.
And this is the original Cremonese poplar. This
Oh
is
wow.
the really popular Cremonese, like Ruggeri, Andrea Guarneri.
Yeah.
This is that one.
Fantastic. There
Yes.
you go. Oh,
And
yep.
this is my setup bench.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So you have a separate bench for making and for
Yes,
setting up
yes.
instruments?
It's
Okay.
a little bit clean than the other.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And is this a recent violin that you made recently?
Yes, my recently the last one.
Ah, right, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, beautiful.
Now I'm checking everything because I have to do the photos.
Okay.
Yes.
Beautiful, fantastic. Thanks for having us.
Bye.